Today we will be finding relative errors to some significant figure. Just take an example. Suppose we have to find the relative error of a number. Suppose I have taken 8 here. I have taken 834.12 to 5 significant figures. So here we have been given k is equal to 8, n is equal to 5. So absolute error will be half into 10 raised to power minus 2, which is equal to 0.005. So relative error should be less than or equal to 0.005 upon 864.32, because number is 864.32 minus 0.005. So this will be equal to 5 upon 864320 minus 5, because we know that relative error is equal to absolute error upon number minus absolute error. So on calculating this, we can say that this will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 86432 minus 1 upon 2, which is less than 1 upon 2 into 8000, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into 8 into 10 raised to power 4. So this will be less than 1 upon 8 into 10 raised to power 4. Here this is equal to, I can say that 1 upon 8 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So we can see that here the theorem is verified for this number 834.12. Now I will be finding accuracy in the determination of argument form a tabulated function. Whenever we need the value of the logarithm of a number or the trigonometric ratio of an angle, we consult the log tables, which gives us the values of the desired function. However, if there is an error in the tabulated function, the argument determined from the function will be incorrect at least to some degree. We shall now investigate the accuracy of the argument whose value is required. So suppose I take the x be the argument and y the entry of the function, so that we have y is equal to fx. Now differentiating, I can say that delta y is equal to f dash x into delta x. This becomes delta x is equal to delta y upon f dash x, which is equal to delta fx upon f dash x. So this formula gives the small error in the argument x when delta fx is the error in the computed function while values are tabulated. This can easily be understood by this example. Suppose I want to find the error in the argument x when y, the tabulated function is, suppose first is y is equal to fx, which is equal to log x to the base 10. So here we have fx is equal to log x to the base 10, which is equal to log e into log x. So I can say that f dash x will be equal to 0.4343 into 1 upon x. Here delta x is equal to delta fx upon f dash x, which is equal to x upon 0.4343 into delta fx. So this will be equal to 2.3026 into delta fx. So second is, I suppose I take y is equal to fx, which is equal to 10x. So here f dash x will be sec square x. So delta x is equal to delta fx upon f dash x, which is equal to delta fx upon sec square x radians. So this will be equal to 206,264.8 cos square x delta fx. Suppose I take this third example as fx is equal to log sin x. So this will be equal to log e to the base 10 into log sin x to the base e f dash x is equal to 0.4343 into cos x upon sin x. So delta x will be equal to delta fx upon f dash x. This is equal to 2.3026 tan x delta fx radians. That's all. Thank you.